Do you dream of retiring comfortably, spending time with family, traveling the world, and pursuing your passion? Sounds amazing, right? But here's the big question. Have you actually started planning for it? Most people plan meticulously for their child's education, weddings, and even vacations. But when it comes to retirement, they often say, I will think about it later. Unfortunately, later often turns into too late. Retirement planning isn't just about saving money. It's about ensuring financial independence when you're no longer earning. Let's explore why starting early is crucial and how you can build a solid retirement corpus. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So recently, I spoke to a middle-aged investor who had planned for everything: his child's education, marriage, a dream vacation, even a luxury car. But when asked about his retirement planning, his response was, there's still time for that. This is a common mindset. Many people delay retirement investments, prioritizing immediate expenses. But ask yourself, can you take a loan to cover your retirement expenses? No. Will banks lend you money after retirement as easily as they do now? Unlikely. You can take loans for a house, a car, or even your child's education. But when it comes to retirement, you must be self-sufficient. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Calculating how much money you need for your child's education or wedding is relatively simple. But retirement, that's an entirely different challenge. You need to consider how long will you live after retirement? How much will your monthly expenses be in the future? How will inflation impact your savings? Unlike other financial goals, retirement lasts for decades. Without careful planning, you risk outliving your savings. Unlike buying a house or funding education, which are one-time expenses, retirement is an ongoing financial requirement that spans 20 to 30 years or even longer. Imagine reaching 75 and realizing your savings won't last another decade. Would you want to depend on your children or compromise on your lifestyle? That's why retirement planning requires a unique long-term strategy. Imagine you're 40 years old and currently spend 50,000 rupees per month. Will 50,000 rupees be enough when you turn 55? Absolutely not. Inflation ensures that today's 50,000 rupees will not have the same value in the future. Let's break it down. At 6% inflation rate, 50,000 will become 1.2 lakh in just 15 years. At 9% inflation rate, the same 50,000 rupees will skyrocket to 1.8 lakh by 55 and 15 lakhs by the age of 80. So now think about your post-retirement years. Will your savings be enough to handle such an increase in expenses? If your retirement corpus does not grow at a rate higher than inflation, you might find yourself struggling in your golden years. This is why just saving money is not enough. You need to invest smartly to outpace inflation. Many people ask, I'm already 40 and haven't started retirement planning. Is it too late? The good news, it's never too late. But the longer you wait, the more aggressive your investment strategy needs to be. Starting late means you have a shorter time to accumulate wealth, which requires a more disciplined approach. You can increase your monthly investment amount as your salary grows and choose growth-oriented investment options like equity mutual funds to maximize returns, and diversify your investments between equity funds, fixed deposits, and other assets to balance risk and returns. Consider delaying retirement by a few years to build a bigger corpus. So the key is to start today. Every delay only makes the journey harder. Now, let us take a look at the financial mistakes to avoid in your 40s. One is delaying investments. If you haven't started, start today. Every day lost makes the goal harder to achieve. Number 2, luxury expenses over savings. Prioritizing a luxury car or an expensive vacation over retirement savings is a costly mistake. Number 3, falling for scams. The urge for quick profits leads to many fraudulent investments. Stick to reliable long-term plans. Number 4, stopping investments prematurely. Many start SIPs but stop when expenses rise. This disrupts compounding benefits and delays wealth creation. Now, one of the smartest ways to build lifelong financial security is by using the SIP plus SWP strategy. So, SIP, systematic systematic investment plan helps you accumulate wealth before retirement, and SWP systematic withdrawal plan ensures a steady income after retirement without depleting your corpus. Even after 30 years of withdrawals, your wealth continues to grow. That's the magic of compounding and disciplined investing. So, how SIP plus SWP works is, suppose you invest 10,000 rupees per month in an equity mutual fund from the age 30 to 60, assuming an average 12% annual return, your investment grows to 3.5 crore by 60. If you start an SWP at 1 lakh per month, your corpus will still continue to grow while providing a steady retirement income. This means you never have to worry about running out of money in retirement. By combining SIP for wealth creation and SWP for steady income, you can ensure financially independent and stress-free retirement. And to make this strategy work perfectly for you, expert guidance is essential. That's why you need a certified financial planner. Planning for a retirement isn't as simple as just saving a fixed amount every month. Do you know exactly how much you will need? How will you balance inflation, market risk, and changing lifestyle needs? This is where a certified financial planner comes in. A professional CFP ensures that you don't just retire but retire rich. So, how do they help you secure your retirement? First, realistic financial assessment. A CFP will evaluate your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities to determine exactly how much you need to retire comfortably. Number two, customized retirement strategy. Your retirement plan should be tailored to your financial goals, whether it is traveling the world, living a peaceful life, or leaving a legacy for your family. Number three, navigating market volatility. Investments can be unpredictable, but a CFP helps you build a diversified portfolio that minimizes risk and maximizes long term growth. Number 4, ensuring you never outlive your wealth. One of the biggest risks in retirement is running out of money. A CFP helps you structure withdrawals so your wealth lasts for decades. A strategic retirement plan crafted with professional guidance ensures that your golden years are stress free, financially secure, and fulfilling. Now, what is the final takeaway from this video? Retirement planning isn't just about saving money. It's about creating financial independence so you can enjoy your golden years without worries. By combining SIP to build wealth and SWP for a steady post-retirement income, you can ensure that your money lasts for a lifetime. Even after 30 years of withdrawals, your corpus can continue to grow. That's the magic of disciplined investing. The best time to start is now. Delaying retirement planning means compromising on your future lifestyle. Inflation will eat into your savings if you don't invest wisely. Without a solid plan, you risk outliving your wealth. But here's the good news. With the right investment strategy and financial discipline, you can retire not just comfortably, but wealthy and independent. Ready to plan a rich retirement? Then don't leave your future to chance. Get expert help from a certified financial planner today by clicking the link in the description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners. Start planning today and secure your wealthy, worry-free retirement. And if you find this video interesting, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting financial insights. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.